Hello students, today I am with you or in front of you with some numerical problems based on distance and displacement. Now we are going to put first question and they are question number 1. Okay, a particle moves moves in a semi circular path of radius 7 meter. Okay students, calculate the distance traveled and displacement of the particle when it completes a semicircular path, and the path is this. Okay friends, A and B. This is semicircular path and this is center. Okay, and according to question, this is radius, and radius equal to 7 meter is given in question. Okay, you know that the circumference of circle is 2 pi r, and this diagram denotes the half of the circular path. So solution is this. Distance traveled means from A to B. So distance traveled by the particle equal to length of the semicircular path. Length of the semicircular path equals length of the semicircular path. Okay students, so this length will be equal to 2 pi r divided by 2, means half of the circular path is semicircular path. So circumference of the circle is divided by 2, and this represents this distance from A to B. Okay, so we can cancel in this way, and this is equal to pi r. Okay, and the value of pi is 22 by 7 into r. The value of r is given in your question, so we are going to put 7. Okay students, so 7 and 7 will cancel, and each distance traveled is equal to 22, and 22 is distance, and distance is measured in meter. So we will put here meter. Now length means distance is expressed in meter. Okay, so distance is equal to 2 meter. This is the distance when particles move from A to B. This is called distance, and this length is calculated is equal to 22 meter. Okay, next question is that yes students, first part of this question is completed. Distance is calculated. Now we are going to calculate displacement. As you know, the shortest distance is called displacement. So from this diagram, when particle moves from A to B, then this is called displacement, and here radius is equal to 7 meter, and from A to B is diameter. So the displacement is equal to 2 times of radius. Okay, so we can represent AB vector in vector form. Displacement will be AB vector. Okay, because this is shortest distance, so magnitude of AB equals, it is magnitude of AB means shortest distance A to B. Magnitude of AB equal to distance between the opposite points A and B. Okay friends, on the semicircular path, okay, is equal to 2 into radius, and the 2 times of radius is diameter. So from this figure, AB denotes diameter, and R equal to 7 meter, and diameter will be 2 times of radius. So this will be equal to 2 into 7. Okay, 2 into 7 equal to 14, and SI unit of displacement is also meter. So when you put meter with numerical value 14, then your measure of displacement will be expressed. Okay, okay students, so by these two numericals, one numericals, and in which the concept of distance and displacement is given in this way. The concept of displacement and distance is clear. Okay, thank you, bye.